Thursday night. Right about 6 p.m. A lot of people at the beach. Just like that beautiful sun shining through the clouds right there, making the sun rays. Yeah, the live video just too freezy and too jumpy. Too freezy, too jumpy when you do regular video. Like it has a gimbal in there that keeps somewhat stabilized so it doesn't look so much like you're walking, it appears. It's probably blue pulling on my right arm. Couldn't hold it anymore on my left arm, so I had to switch to my right arm. And now he's pulling on the right arm. I'm trying to rip that one out of the socket. So then they match. Tide's starting to come in now. It's just getting cool. Some people are heading out for the most part for the evening. Still a little bit of wind blowing. See the shining on the water over there past the pier in here in the island. Mr. Pelican has passed away up here on the sand right there. Rest in peace, Mr. Pelican. Hopefully it's the same Mr. Pelican we wished to rest in peace the other day. gorgeous, beautiful. They tried to eat horse poo. Horse poo. He loves horse poo. I don't know what it is about that stuff. I don't know why he would like it. Grass, I guess. Grass. Finishing more and more of the pier. Probably every time they get money. I don't think they would have enough. But I don't think the hotel is the only one. Paying the bill. Paying the bill. Should get hit by a little bit of sun right in here. We'll stop eating that stuff. There's Castro again. Just missed him. How am I just missing him every time? When I walked by, he must have been out there. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel, Castro Productions. They're just coming surfing in right there. If it's not him, we're going to say it's him anyway, but I can see his hair from here. Come on, pooper duper scooper. I can't believe you pooped right there. Did you get any? Hey, I'm trying to get people to subscribe to your channel. What? I'm trying to get them to subscribe to your channel. What do you mean? You're a real surfer. Have a good one. Come on. Yeah, make sure you check out Castro Productions. He's got a lot of videos. He's out there surfing right now. I'm gonna go out tomorrow. No matter what, I'm gonna come down probably early in the morning. Come out. Everybody's pretty much up the beach right now. I'll be looking for his surf videos. I gotta catch that. I'm gonna try to see if I can upload the GoPro footage I had, bring it, excuse me, bring it in, riding a wave in and coming into shore. Everybody's pretty much backing off the beach now. It's because the sun's staying behind there. It's so beautiful, but the sun's staying behind the clouds. And I feel bad. I should be out there with him. Flat paddling around a little bit. Is that very good? We got the papaya deck already still set up there, so it must be for the whole summer, I'm thinking. So much wind. I'm hoping tomorrow there'll be no wind or less wind, so we can paddle around out there and be nice and tranquil. And nice. So it was interesting. I went to that Deal Hunter's place, $10 piece today. Found a pair of boots in there. There was this girl who went and bought them a bunch of stuff, I guess. I don't know, cell phones and she was just selling it for like $5 more than what she paid for it, which is a good thing. About these things I told you about. Be careful when you're walking through here. Some of them are starting to stick up, and if you stand on them just right, you can like stick one of them in your foot, or at least poke by one. Some of the things are standing straight up, like these down here. The sand does fill up in there and brings the sand in there, and then we're just poking out. So be careful walking through here in front of this little green deck thing where they sit out here and paddle. Thanks again to all you guys, new subscribers. Thanks for everyone who continues to watch the channel. We'll keep you covered as to what's happening at the beach. Downtown Rosarito. A little bit of El Chapo burrito. Why this is the best beach to come for vacation. Baja California. Hey. Come on. plan to be in the water tomorrow, hopefully, if there's not this much wind. Too much wind. I don't want to get in there and get blown all the way down past the pier, and you paddle forever, you never go anywhere. You only go 3 feet. But nah. Setting up a lot of Takati tents. There's some big, huge party going on this weekend. Takati tents are all set up right up through here. So I'll be down here this weekend. It's like Beach Fest. We penetrate the water and get videos from the water, GoPro videos. We'll have waterproof case though for this year's. Can't fly the drone. We can get close a little bit, but can't penetrate too much. They got a barrier. It's way back. But with the big one, I can go up high and go out over the ocean and hit it from a distance. Maybe we can try to zoom in. A little bit of super duper camera work, and we can get a little bit of videos, a little bit of views of what's going on inside the Beach Fest from a distance from the water. So this time I'm planning not to get arrested though this time, because I don't want to lose my phone or my wife's phone. But yeah, this is the best beach to visit. I feel best beach to live at, best place to vacation. Public parking and beach area right here, getting pretty. So it's one tent. Thankful to have the opportunity maybe to get that Ultra and have all the cameras on there that I can use for making videos. Really makes it nice and easy, and to have one camera and, like you said, not to have a bunch of lenses carry with you. With big equipment, I was able to take the phone out there the other day and capture video. Get from the paddleboard. Yeah, but hopefully, maybe Castro has all this week up. I should send him a message, see if we can't get together and make some videos tomorrow. I guess I just wish that Raul was here. Nobody like Raul. Sometimes you meet people and you don't know why, but I wish you would have met him sooner. Time. It's all about time.